Hey, what's up, guys? This is Young Sadiq. In this video, I'm going to teach you a trick I normally use in converting a hard copy document into completely editable soft copy of a same document. So, somebody like me, I hate taking hard copies around, and as you can see, I have all these bunch of documents to read. Uh, for my exams, and actually I don't like carrying around documents like this. I prefer using my computer or using my mobile phone so that I can open it whenever I want and wherever I want to use it. So I've been using this trick for a long time ago, and it has been working for me. So I now think, why not doing the videos so that other people might uh, gain advantage of it. So if you receive any document like this, or you were looking for a source of something online, and uh, you finally get something in form of document like this, which is scanned and then posted on that website, you know, to get that transferred into your Microsoft Word, you have to retype it over again. That's if on that website it's not been typed, they only scanned the document and then post it there. So maybe you want to use the material for your assignment or research writing, project writing or something like that. So that document, you have to sit down and type everything over from A to Z. So using this simple method, you can easily transfer that hard copy document into completely editable document in just few minutes. So let me show you how I used to do it. So here is, as you can see, I have two devices. I have Android devices, and then the Apple device, which is the iOS device. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I use Android, and then how, if you're using an iPhone device, how uh, you do it. So the first thing, to type an assignment, to type a document on your mobile phone, you need a software that will serve as your Microsoft Word application. So which many people use WPS, is what I'm going to use for the sake of this tutorial, WPS. So on my Apple device also, I have the same WPS application. There's it. So if you're using an Apple device, you get there is a version of iOS, and then if you're using Android also, there is a version of it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a blank document where we'll be transferring our write-ups in it. So let me just create blank document. All right, so these are my blank document. I have a blank document on my Apple device, and I have blank document on my Android device. So now the next thing is that we need a tool that we use. Most of the Android devices from Android version 6 upward, they used to come with this application called Photos. That is Google Photos, like this. So most of the phones used to come with this application Photos. So if you don't have it on your phone, make sure you go to Play Store, because I know the application is available on Play Store. On Android device, there's nothing like Google Photos that will come in it, simply because iOS is not being managed by Android. So but if you go to the App Store, you search for Google Photos, it's going to give you the same application. So I've already downloaded mine, but let me just show you what I was trying to explain. So if you go to the search menu, just type in Google Photos. Okay, this is it in the recommendation at the top, the first one. So you select, and then this is it at the top, Google Photos. So it's just same thing as this. I've already downloaded it, that's why it's showing open. If you don't have it on your phone, it's going to show you this cloud sign, which means download. So let me just open it, and as you can see, it opens up my media and everything. Let me increase the brightness so that you guys will see it clearly. Okay, so now after getting the application, you then go ahead and get the document you want to use. So let me just pick one. For the sake of this tutorial, I don't want to waste your time. I'll just use 3 pages, and then if you want to do it, you just follow same procedure to do. So let me take this document for example. I have this page that I want to transfer to something like this on my computer. You can you see everything on this computer now. I can manipulate it however I want it, and I can make it PDF. I can just leave it as .docx as it was, which is the Microsoft Word document. So let's start from this first page. So what you're going to do after downloading your Google Photos application, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your phone camera. You're going to open your phone camera, then you snap the document. Make sure it captured everything clearly so that you won't have any trouble when trying to. So if the flashlight of your device is going to interrupt, then you can just off it. Just make sure you have a clear shot of the document you want to transfer. Okay, I think this one is cleared enough. This is the document. So I think this one is cleared enough. I just snapped it. So let me now use my Android device to also snap that same document. Oh. Sorry guys, I want to have a clear shot of the picture. For the Android is kind of lighter, so I don't know. Let me try to off the backlight. Let me just snap it without the flashlight and see. Make sure you try your best to get the best shot of that picture. Well, it's kind of rough, but let's see how it's going to be. So now we snap the document. Let's say you're transferring the complete document. So you just snap everything from A to Z. So after snapping the pictures, you already have the pictures of the documents you want to convert. As you can see on the both phones, I have the document snapped already. Then you go back to your Google Photos application on your Apple device. You go to this, and then on your Android device, you go to photos. On your Android device, you go to photos. So you look for that. Okay, I have a lot of them here on the Android device. So let me look for the one that is like it's more better. Okay, so I have this and I have this. So what we're going to do, we have to work on the Android one. So let me just crop the image. Let me just crop the image so that I'll get rid of all the side documents. This one is clearly shown, so I don't have to edit anything on this one. Just the Android one. Okay, let's just begin with the Android one. So there is a tool we want to use, and that tool we don't have to go and download it. The tool, as far as we have Google Photos on our phone, the tool will be automatically added because it's a feature that comes with the Google Photos application. So if you have the Google Photos, you don't need the name of the tool is Google Lens, right? Lens, Google Lens. So we don't need the Google Lens as far as we have Android. We have the Google Photos. We're good to go. So now make sure you have internet connection on your device. We're going to use Google Lens to glance through this document so that it's will capture everything in the write-up. So let me just bring it closely to you guys so that you see. If you haven't Google Photos, Google Lens is a tool that will glance through a picture and try to capture every letters, that is any written thing on that document. Google Lens will try to glance it through and then will give you the complete write-up. So now this is it. At the bottom of the Google Photos, we have 4 options. The first one is delete. The second one is the Google Lens, which is the one where we need right now. So we just click on the Google Lens. So if you look at my screen now, you see that the white things going on trying to capture all the documents. So after that short process, it highlights everything that has written document in it. Then at the bottom you see it says text found in image, that is, it found some text in the images. So you just click on select all, and as you can see, it selects all the documents. So then there's an option at the bottom that says copy text. So we just click on that copy text and it says text copied, which means it has already copied the complete text in our clipboard. Just in just few seconds it copies everything. So now we need to go to where we create that blank document in our Microsoft Word so that we'll paste the document. So if you just come and tap on the blank page, you're going to see these options that says paste, select all, copy format, and a big bank. So we just need to paste, copy and paste. So we have already copied the text in the image, then we now paste it here. All right, so this is what I was saying, guys. Just few minutes, we have this complete hard copy page document, and we transfer it right away to this. So we can edit this. It's completely editable. We can edit it and add anything we want, and we can copy it and then modify it anyhow we want it. So after copying it, pasting the document, we can now save it. We can either save it, let me just save it as document2, and the format should be, so if you want to change the format, you change it. So I'm leaving mine in my document folder, so I'll just save it. So finally got everything on my phone. So if well, there are some changes. If you want to make some changes, you can still go ahead and uh do it. that's that's it for the Android device. Now that's it for the iOS device. Now for the Android device, let's search for a clearer image. So I think we're going to use this one. Same thing as the iOS version. The first option here is delete, which the second one is the Google Lens, which is the one we need. So just tap on the Google Lens and then it will start glancing through, and as you can see, it highlighted all the written document, all the text is in white. So just the normal step, we just select all, and then you can see it's highlight all the written document, and then there is an option that says copy. Just copy the text, and it said the text. Okay, on Android device we see a message which the iOS device doesn't show us. Here it says when I click on the text document, it says copy to clipboard, but it gives me a warning that says the text is too long at the beginning. So I don't know, maybe it's just a warning and it still went ahead and copied the document, or it copied the half of the document. So now let's go back to my WPS. Let's go back to my WPS where I created a blank document and paste it. Then we'll go through it. All right, so this is it, guys. I have the complete same document transferred, and it's completely editable. See it, guys. So I can add anything I want, anything. I can edit it however I want it, and then I can do same thing for all the pages of the document. And after doing it all, I can then save it as PDF or save it as a document, the as a Microsoft Word document. So let's see, the last one here is 401. The last thing here is 401-418. So let's go back to that image and see what's the last thing there. Okay, the last thing there is same 401-418, which means it copied everything. So we can do something and go ahead and save our document. You can just save it as docx, text file, or PDF. So let me just select docx so that I can edit it on my when I transfer it to my computer. So it's as easy as this. All you need is to have a camera that can that is, your mobile phone should be able to capture a clear camera. And then the second thing is you're going to need Google Photos. If you are having an Android device that is running Android version 6 upward, that is Android version 6, 7, 8, 9, or Android version 10, you don't need to download any Google Photos because it used to come with that application in it. In the case of our iPhone device, you must have to go to App Store and then search for Google Photos so that you can download that same document. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, share it to other people that might find it useful to them, and then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I myself will be happy, and I'll be certain that all the content I used to make is useful to you guys. So subscribing to my channel will show me that wow, you guys likes me to continue giving free tutorials like this, and I'll have the guts to continue. All right, see you in the next video.